Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality items like real Parmesan cheese. Melting the butter slowly is key to a smooth base, ensuring it doesn't brown. This foundational step sets the stage for a rich and creamy sauce that will elevate any pasta dish. Get ready to create a truly delicious meal. Now, let's bring that creamy texture to life. Slowly whisk in your heavy cream, allowing it to warm through without boiling. This gentle heat helps everything emulsify beautifully. Next, gradually incorporate your freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring continuously. This constant motion is crucial to prevent the cheese from clumping, ensuring a silky smooth sauce that coats your pasta perfectly. Patience here pays off. With your sauce almost complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, and don't forget a tiny pinch of nutmeg. It truly enhances the flavor. If your sauce is too thick, a splash of reserved pasta water can achieve the perfect consistency. Remember, Alfredo sauce is best served immediately over hot, freshly cooked pasta to enjoy its luxurious texture and taste. Enjoy your culinary creation. For the best results, always use a wide, shallow pan. This allows for even heating and better control over your sauce. A crucial tip: never let your Alfredo sauce come to a rolling boil, as this can cause it to separate. Instead, maintain a gentle simmer for that perfect consistency. Also, if you're looking to enrich your life beyond the kitchen, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. It's a worthwhile read.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.